Good day, senior high school students. How are you today? I hope that you are doing great. By the way, I am Mr. Bernardino Agpalo Jr., your English teacher. For today's lesson, you will going to learn about the three basic rules in using modals correctly. You may seem that modals are boring, but you will notice that you are using it every day, like in daily conversation, writing an essay, or doing class reports. They say that modals are special helping verbs. Why? Because they behave differently. They may express ability, possibility, permission, and obligation. There are commonly used modals: can, could, may, might, should, ought to, must, have to, will, shall, and would. These are the commonly used modals. Did you get it? Very good. So let us now proceed to the three basic rules in using modals correctly. The first one is use as is. It means don't change. Do not change it into the present tense, past tense, or future tense. You may say, he can swim, but don't say, he can swim. Did you get it? Excellent. The next one is use the base form of the verb after every modal. Don't use the word to or the whole infinitives. You may say, he might join us, but don't say, he might to join us. Did you understand? Very good. But if you are writing a sentence in a negative form, use not after every modals. Don't use don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, wasn't, or won't. But in every rule, there is still an exemption. The modal have to. You may say, don't have to. So, if you are using the commonly used modals, you may say cannot. Remember that cannot is only one word. Could not, may not, might not, should not, ought not to. Remember where you're going to put the word not. Ought not to, must not. And again, this is only the exemption, the have to. Will not, shall not, and would not. The very good example for this rule is you should not smoke. Okay, let us summarize our lesson for today. The three basic rules in using modals correctly. The first one is use as is. It means don't change. The next one is use the base form of the verb after every modal. Don't use to. And the last one, if you are writing a sentence in negative form, use not after modals. Don't use don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, wasn't, and won't. Now, let us check your understanding. There are 8 sentences that is grammatically incorrect sentences. Let us help one another to make these sentences grammatically correct sentences. Okay? Number 1. You must to finish your homework. What is wrong in that sentence? Very good. The word to. It must be you must finish your homework. The next one is I don't can drive. What is wrong in that sentence? Very good. The word don't. It must be I cannot drive. Remember that cannot is only one word. Next, you should not to smoke. What is wrong in that sentence? Very good. The word to. It must be you should not smoke. The next one is we not could call you. What is wrong in that sentence? Very good. We must change not to could and could to not. It must be we could not call you. The next one is he might go to sleep. Very good. It must be he might go to sleep. The next one is they can to stay with us. What is wrong in that sentence? Excellent. The word to. It must be they can stay with us. The next one is we would not to arrive on time. What is wrong in that sentence? The word to. It must be we would not arrive on time. Very good. The next one is she will return soon. Okay? It must be she will return soon. Excellent. Did you understand, class? Very good. So, that's all for today. Happy learning!